Every business owner's worst nightmare is when an agency tells them that they need a newsletter. They're time-consuming, and some company newsletters are just straight up boring to read. And if you've ever tried to design one yourself, you know how much effort it requires, pulling you away from the main aspects of your business. So today I'm using Vengage's AI newsletter generator to create a polished, brand-aligned company update automatically. Whether you're sharing monthly updates, company milestones, or event highlights, this tool takes all the heavy lifting off your plate. We're going to design a monthly company achievements and updates newsletter from start to finish, and I'll show you how AI can handle the layout, the copy, the visuals, and even translations, all in just a few clicks. Okay, so step one is generating the newsletter itself. So we're on Venngage.com, and finding the newsletter generator is super easy. All we have to do is navigate to HR here and then choose newsletter. And then I'm just going to paste my prompt in here. It just says create a newsletter for Apple's July company updates and achievements newsletter for employees. Highlight milestones hit in July and shout out the marketing department. Include a leadership message at the end. Make this broken up into nice design sections. Now to generate it, we'll just click generate HR content, and then Venngage will begin spinning up our newsletter. So let's see what it comes up with. Okay, so we got our newsletter back. This looks great. So we have a single page. It's a recap of Apple's July achievements. We have nice broken up sections. We have the logo, so it pulled in Apple's logo. And then we also have a nice leadership comment from at the bottom from Tim Cook himself. So this looks great. Let's go ahead and customize it. We'll just click customize here, and then we'll enter the Venngage editor. So a couple things we can do. We can utilize Vengage's AI tools here on the left-hand side. If I want to change this banner up here, I can go to generate images, and then I'm going to put modern workspace with happy employees, and we're going to make it cinematic, and then we can just click generate images, and it'll give me a new image that I can replace this with. So let's see what it comes up with for us. Okay, great. I got some images back. These look awesome. Let's take a look at this one. I kind of want a landscape one. So let's see if we can make this fit. Okay, I think that we can make that work. So let's go ahead and layer this so that the text behind it is not being covered. So all we do is go to layers, we'll move it to the back. I'll take out this one here and then just adjust it as I see fit. Move this a little. You can see that it's super easy to edit anything and move around just little minute things in this Venngage editor. So while we have an updated banner, let's go ahead and polish up some of this text. So if we click here into milestone, it's been shortened. I can easily go to improve text. I'm going to make it more professional. So maybe let's see. There you go. So now I have the full word, right? So I can replace that section. Also, let's see if we can make this header text of the newsletter more friendly. So I can click into this, improve text. Let's make this more friendly and casual. Apple's July highlights, cheers to our progress, and awesome team. That sounds more friendly. I love that. So we can make this a little bit bigger so that it fits the box better. And something very important to know, if you have global teams, you can also use the translate text feature to instantly create versions in multiple languages. So you don't need any extra tools. All we do is go to file and then translate with AI. We'll translate this to Spanish, and we'll translate and create a new design, and let's see what it comes up with. Okay, so we got a confirmation that our translation is complete. Let's open this translated design and see how this looks. Awesome. So we have all of our translated text from English to Spanish. So once I finish this design, I can easily translate it, make multiple copies, and then send them out to respective employees. This is super, super helpful. You don't have to go plug it in somewhere else or pay for another tool to be able to translate this. You can do it all within Venngage. So let's go back, and we're going to brand this some more. So we already have Apple's logo. We have around about the same colors, but let's go to our brand kit. And I already have Apple's brand kit uploaded. All I did was go to add brand kit, just typed in Apple, and it pulled in their logos, their colors, their fonts automatically. So I already have them in here, and I have their palette. I can go ahead and shuffle the color palette throughout this newsletter, and once I land on one that I like, I can stick with it, right? So I think I like this one the most. I like the black that stands out underneath the blue. And then I can also add the logo here. So maybe instead of this blue apple here, we can remove this. We can put the white one in there, drag it to size. Can also add milestones at Apple so that it makes more sense. And then I also have a close second to Apple's font. I can apply this in a single click. I have the font applied to the entire newsletter, and I think this looks great as is. As you can see, Venngage generated the entire newsletter for me. I tweaked a couple things. You could also tweak any of the copy if you'd like. Like I said, you can go and improve text. You can prompt the AI for specific things. Super easy to just make those little tweaks to make it your own, but the AI got me 90% of the way there. So once you're finished with your newsletter, designing and editing and tweaking anything that you'd like to tweak, a really important thing, especially if you're making this for your company, is accessibility. And to make sure that you're being compliant in accessibility throughout your company, you can easily go to File, go to Accessibility, and then check your design. So I have 8 issues detected. I can see that I need alternative text. I can see that the logical reading order needs review, headings need review. So this is super helpful, especially if you're working for a large company, to go in and make sure that this newsletter is able to be read by everybody there. So after your accessibility check, you can go ahead and do your final output and share this. So if we go up here to download, we could download as a PNG, a PDF, email HTML, which is great because we are writing a newsletter. So I would definitely choose this option if you're using the newsletter generator. You can also share this. You can invite team members. So if you have a couple people in your department working on the newsletter, you can invite them and they can work on this as a team. You can share as a private link, a website, a QR code, or duplicate it for next month. And just a note, you can also save this as a template so that you can use it for the following months, or you can also make a copy, duplicate it, change some of the text, and you're done. So if you're tired of spending hours on newsletters that nobody reads, let AI do all of the work for you. With Vengage's AI newsletter generator, you can get smart suggestions, customizable templates, and brand-aligned results fast. I'll drop the link in the description below so that you can try it out. Let me know what you think of it in the comments, and if you like this walkthrough, make sure you hit like and subscribe. We share new ways to save time with AI tools every single week. See you in the next one.